Okay, so today we're going to do Applegator. Some of you might have this one, some of you might have this one. We're going to do this one tomorrow. We're going to do this one today. So if you have this worksheet, you can do it along. If not, you can just pay attention. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get started. So today what we're going to really talk about is the alligator eating the bigger group, okay? So right now we have less than and greater than, and then there's also equal. So that means when they're the same. Okay, so when a group is bigger, the alligator wants to eat the bigger group. When it's the smaller group first, we have less than because the bigger group's over here. It will make sense as we go ahead and do our worksheet today. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the dotted line. All right, there we go. So, grab my glue stick. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count how many apples are in each group. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I crossed them out so that I know I counted each one. So there's 7 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we want to know which one is bigger. The alligator is going to eat the bigger number. So if I have my number line, I have 7 and 10. Which one comes later? 10. Very good. So 10 is the bigger number. So the alligator's mouth is going to want to eat the 10. So I need to look out at my alligator's mouth, and I'm going to cut one out so that it's facing the number 10. So like this one would say that 7 is the bigger number and it's going to eat 7. But no, 7's not the bigger number. 10 is, and it's going to want to eat the bigger number of 10 apples. So I'm going to glue this down. Okay, so 10 is the bigger number. The alligator is going to eat the 10 apples because there's more of them. Now, we are going to read. So this is 7 is less than, see, facing this way, less than 10. Because we start with 7 because we always go left to right. So 7 is less than 10 because the alligator is not facing this way. So that means this way is the smaller number. All right, let's go ahead and count the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 here. So we have 9 and 8. So let's look at those numbers on our number line. So we have 9 and 8. So which number is bigger? Which number comes second, last? 9. Very good. So the 9's on this side. So now our alligator is going to want to face the 9 and eat the bigger number. So I'll go ahead and glue that in. And since it's facing this way, that means this is the bigger number. So we would say 9 is greater than or more than 8. Greater than means the same thing as more. All right, let's go to the next group. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 and 3. What do you notice? They're the same, so they're equal. And that's what this means, is equal. It means whatever you have on one side is the same on the other. So they're the exact same. All right, let's go ahead and count the next one. We have 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number is bigger? Let's look at our number line. We have 1 and 4. So which number is bigger? Comes second. 4. Very good. So the alligator is going to want to eat the 4 and face that way so that they eat the bigger number. Good. So then we would say 1 is less than, because it's the smaller, it's not facing me. 1 is less than 4. Good. All right, let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5. Let's put those on our number line. So we have 6 and 5. Which number is bigger? Which number is more? 6, because it comes second. Very good. So 6 is going to want to get eaten. The alligator is going to want to face the 6 and eat the 6 apples because they're bigger. And then we would read it as 6 is greater than or more than 5. All right, great job, my friends.